Live coverage of defense operations has been barred by the center to avoid risks to national security and the safety of security forces. An advisory issued by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting on April 26, 2025 directs all television channels, digital platforms, and social media users not to share real-time visuals or updates related to military operations and troop movements. The advisory highlights that unfiltered coverage during sensitive operations can endanger lives, compromise tactics, and potentially assist hostile elements. It also warns against speculation based on unnamed sources, sharing unverifiable information, or airing content that could spark panic, fear, or tension among viewers. The reminder comes in the wake of the April 22 terror attack in Pahalgam, after which some news reports and social media posts revealed details of the security response before the operations had concluded. Officials emphasize that such disclosures violate Rule 6(1) of the Cable TV Networks Rules 2021, which bars broadcasts threatening national security or public order. Media outlets have been asked to prioritize caution and national interest over speed. While the advisory does not impose a legal ban, it calls for strict voluntary compliance to prevent any security breaches during ongoing or future operations.